Usually, when you're browsing and select a chunk of text, some options pop up like Translate. At the bottom of the screen, a translation section appears with a few languages. But if you want more options or a different app, you can now change the default translation app on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.4 or later. Once you're updated, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then tap Default Apps. Now, you should see a new option called Translation. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of translation apps that are compatible with this feature. If you have other translation apps installed, like Google Translate or Microsoft Translator, and they support this feature, they'll show up here. Just tap the one you want to use as your default. Keep in mind, app developers need to update their apps to support this feature. So if your favorite translation app doesn't appear, check for updates or wait for support. And that's it. You've now set your preferred translation app as the default on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.